Hi, I'm Janet McHugh. My website is janetmchugh.arbonne.com. And earlier we had talked about removing your makeup properly and steps to take. And we left off with moisturizing, so that's where I'm going to pick up. There's lots of options for moisturizing before you go to bed, after you take your makeup off, or if you take your makeup off in the middle of the day, moisturize. It doesn't matter when you take it off. So I'm going to go over a couple of the different options you have, but no matter what product you use, I just think it's important to moisturize, or even if you have even if you have oily skin. You might think, oh, I shouldn't moisturize, but you really should. It's just one of the steps. Oily skin needs moisture too. It just needs the right type of moisturizer. So you need to find the right product, and your best step is to find a website or a store such as myself that has products for oily skin or for acne prone skin or dry skin, or go into a department store that sells the different types of products for your specific skin type and talk to them. That being said, I've used all sorts of products on my skin when it comes to moisturizing. For me, it's a matter of, if I don't have my product I like, I grab what I have. So I'm going to show you a couple different options that I've used in the past. I've used Nivea. It gives a little bit of a tan look to it after a while, as long as you keep up with it. It's fine. I've used it on my face. Whatever I use on my face, I use on my hands, my arms, and my chest. It's just a given. You should treat your hands, your arms, and your chest as good as you treat your face. So that's kind of a go with it type of thing. It doesn't leave me feeling greasy. It's inexpensive, and like I said, it gives you a little bit of color if you're obviously lacking color like my Irish skin is. Something else that I've used, I have used Lubriderm. There's two types of Lubriderm. One is for extra dry skin. I'll use that at night if my skin's feeling really dry. The regular Lubriderm I'll use in the morning. I won't use the dry skin Lubriderm in the morning because it feels too heavy on my skin, and my makeup doesn't feel right underneath it when I wear makeup. And if I don't wear makeup, my skin just feels heavy and it feels like it clogs my pores during the day. It's too much. Whereas at night, it feels like I have a chance for it to soak in. Here's another product. Even though it says body cream, I have used this product before. Let me see if you can see it. Selected Skin Herbal Body Cream. It's got chamomile, green tea, olive oil, shea butter. It's a good product. It really is. I've used that. I have used, there's another product on my counter here I can't find that I have used. I like it also. The Selected Skin is a really high quality, very low chemical count in it. I like products that don't have a lot of chemicals in it. I figure I put enough chemicals in my body in other ways that I don't need to. Just everything we do, everything we have nowadays has chemicals in it. Everything we drink, practically everything we eat, unless we pay really close attention to what we eat and what we buy. That's one of the reasons I like Arbonne, because it's such a low chemical count. When it comes to my eyes, I really like the Arbonne Lifting and Contouring Cream. RE9 Advanced. It's such a pale container. I'm sure you can't read that. I really like that product. I use that. And then we have a product, Night Repair Cream. It now comes in a kit with a mask, but it's still Night Repair Cream. It's a really nice product. The mask you get for free when you buy the Night Repair Cream. The Night Repair Cream, like I said, it's heavier than the cream that I would use in the morning, so I like it again. And you just need to find, like I said, the right moisturizer for your skin type. Pay attention to what you're using. And the easiest way is to find a store. If you go to a makeup counter, tell them your skin type, ask them about samples. Check the products out. Be careful when you go to a makeup counter. I don't like makeup counters when it comes to brushes and actually using makeup. I pay attention because some of them don't clean their brushes, but when it comes to samples of moisturizers, some of them will put it in a small little bottle that's about a half an inch tall, and they'll give you samples. I like those. That's a good way to try different moisturizers. A lot of companies don't give a money back guarantee. That's the one thing I like about Arbonne is we have a 100% money back guarantee. So if you know your skin type and you see a product you like and you order it, you pay attention to the labeling instructions, everything that comes in the box. There's a money back guarantee where you can ship it back. You call, you get a return label, and you ship it back and you get your money back. So if you don't like it, you do that within I believe it's 60 days, then you get your money back. You tried a product, you didn't like it, and you're good to go. So that being said, I'm again real picky about how I put moisturizer on. I do my eyes last. You can use a Q-tip. If you use a Q-tip, get the end of it wet first. Anytime you use a Q-tip on your face and you put a cream on, otherwise it all soaks into the Q-tip. That's my issue with people that use makeup sponges. For everything, the makeup sponge absorbs all your product. Just doesn't make sense to me. I just put a little bit of my product on the end of my finger. I have long fingernails to boot. Put it on my face and rub it in. If I feel I don't have enough, I try and use a circular motion for everything. That's how I put makeup on. That's how I put cream on. Smells good too. Everything seems to smell citrus with Arbonne, which I like. When you go on the website, everything has the product sheet. Tells you what the ingredients are, tells you how to use it, tells you what the accompanying products are that it works good with, which is really nice. So that's it for that cream. It was really, that little bit does my entire face. This entire jar, for me, is a 1-year supply. So people say, oh, it costs so much, but that little bitty jar is a 1-year supply compared to a bottle this big. So it works out. And then for the eye cream, again, takes very, very little. Just like that much. I put it on my eyelid. See, there I go using my middle finger after, or my index finger after telling you not to. And we all make mistakes. I use it under my eye and on my eyelid. So, and then I do the same thing on my other eye. Rub it under my eye. Be careful you don't get product in your eyes. And you can use your face cream on your whole eye if you're not concerned about using something special around your eyes. But because I have started to get a little bit of wrinkles around my eyes with age, I want to take extra good care of them. And even though I have removed all of my makeup, I still can see that I have got a little bit of mascara. Let me see if I can see, you can see it maybe. Just a little bit on the tip. Yeah, maybe. on my eyelids, on my eyelashes. So even when you think you have it all, you don't. And that's where I come back in with a Q-tip and remove it, because I don't like going to bed with makeup on. Plus, that gets in my eyes, and I'm wearing my contacts. That'll really burn my eyes. So, make sure you moisturize every night. You're going to start your day off very similar to the way you end your day if you follow my directions. Moisturizing will help keep you from getting wrinkles. Moisturizing will help reduce the wrinkles once you have them. There are steps you can follow, and hopefully the steps you follow, if you follow along with me, will help your skin, help you feel better about yourself, make you realize that you can look good with or without makeup. I like the way I look without makeup. I don't wear it every single day, even though a lot of people think I do. A lot of people think that I'd be scared to come on camera without my makeup and my hair pulled back like this, but I'm good with it. But anyway, if you have any questions, go to my website, janetmchugh.arbonne.com. There's a link where you can email me. I believe my phone number's on there too. And please feel free to leave me a comment here. If you're interested in any of my Arbonne products, go to my website. If you find my information useful, if you find that you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below. And I have to show you why I keep getting distracted. This is Frankie. Her name is Kaylin. And this is part of the reason I get distracted. She's one of our pugs. She's our little rescue. And she's always by my side. So world meet Frankie. Frankie meet the world. Okay, so she's always going to be around when I'm doing a video. So if you hear a little bit of a snorting and a little bit of a ruckus, this is one of the two that's causing it. So anyway, we hope you have a blessed day, and we will see you again soon. Bye.